Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about how I made $2,400 in one day with just affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you some realistic strategies that you can actually implement yourself and actually go out there and start building an affiliate marketing business through YouTube as the main traffic source. Okay. Before I do that, if you are interested in learning this step by step, getting a free premium course with 10 lessons in it, and the way I'm estimating it right now, it's probably going to be over 4 hours long. You're getting just a first class premium course that teaches you the ins and outs in a step by step, over the shoulder fashion. Then go and click the first link below and come over here and join my YouTube affiliate Launchpad, a brand new school community that I just launched last week. We already have right here, you can see 58 members, and we have a nice leaderboard going on over here. We also have a lot of engagement. We're almost hitting the top 1,000 school communities across thousands and thousands of school communities that have been created. I just created this 1 week ago. We're already getting close to breaking the top 1,000. So we do have some really good, engaged, like-minded people that also want to build YouTube channels and make money with affiliate marketing. That's what I teach. That's what I've been doing for the last 4 years, full-time online, and how I've made over $440,000 doing this method, all with organic, free, targeted traffic. And that's what I teach. Okay. So if you are somebody that doesn't mind getting your feet wet and actually working and have a strong work ethic, I would love to show you how to do this for yourself. If you're somebody that just wants a push button method, something that's very easy, this is not going to be for you, because we're talking about building real, sustainable, evergreen businesses that you can take vacation and take a week off and money still rolls into your account while you're sleeping and while you're on a vacation. And usually these push button methods and so forth, first of all, they don't exist. Second of all, they don't work. And thirdly, if it did exist, you wouldn't be making money while you are sleeping or while you have to take time off or you're on vacation. So link below, go join YouTube Affiliate Launchpad if you are a serious entrepreneur and would love to quit your 9-to-5 job and pursue your dreams of working for yourself. I'd love to have you in the community. So I want to show you just proof of when I did make that $2,400, and this is just in one account. I've made more money in the same day. I've also sold courses, my own digital products, and made some pretty hefty income in one day with this. But this is specific for affiliate marketing. Now I'd have to go back through the entire year and find some other big days that I've had, but one of them comes to mind. This is Impact. I teach you how to go and sign up as an Impact affiliate, and you're actually able to go in and find all kinds of different brands that you can work with. But right here, you can see on my account, I haven't been utilizing this strategy that much lately because I haven't been putting out a lot of videos on the products that I'm promoting, but you can still see, even without very much effort, I'm still making money almost daily right over here. But if you come back over here, I think it was around in the summertime, I was in June. So this says $1,884.24. Now, this actually was $2,400 in one day. The reason why about $600 got taken off there is because there's a 60-day period from the day that you sell the product for this particular brand that you can actually the customer can get a refund, right? So a full 60 days, they can go and get a full refund on their product. And so $600 of that $2,400. So I did gross $2,400 in revenue that day, but then as the next 60 days went by, some of the revenue did subtract. You always have to subtract for and account for in any business really is refunds. And in this case, as an affiliate marketer, you don't have to deal with customer service, or you don't have to actually implement the refund yourself, which is super, super cool. The company has to handle all the customer support, all the refunds, all that stuff. All your job is to create quality content and send customers there, right? But so that's why you see $1,800, but even $1,800, quite a bit of money in one day just from this simple method I'm fixing to show you right now. Okay. So let's dive in to some of the very specific strategies. Like right now, if you came to me and I was going to tell you, hey, what can you do to get the ball rolling in your business? You don't need to buy a product from me or anything like that. I'm going to teach you exactly how. No one is doing this. It's just fluff content on most of the videos that I watch about people, one click, $5,000, my life changed overnight. Well, when you actually watch those videos, it's completely fake and there's no proof. There's no income proof like I'm showing showing you right here. Look at the steady income that I've earned from this one affiliate account right here all year long. It's not just like a fluke, like where I made money one time. I've made money, look at this, very consistently through the entire year right here. And on this one affiliate account, you can see $26,000, almost $27,000, and brought in over $130,000 in revenue for the company that I'm working with. Okay. And this is a very low year for me because I haven't been doing a whole bunch of focusing on this product over here specifically, but this is just me showing you my account. So we're going to come in here, and there's a really cool site right over here. You can go over to There's an AI for That. Now this one gets a lot of traffic. So we can come over here if you want to install this little deal over here, and it's a Chrome extension. And what it does is it tells you how much traffic, right? It's not 100% accurate, but it's going to tell you a roundabout estimate, and it could be even more traffic than this, or it could be a little bit less, but ballpark, it's getting millions of visitors per month going to this site and finding out what tools are available and so forth, right? And so as an affiliate marketer, we can use this like a lot of people are not using it. A lot of people are just coming here and they're just trying to find a tool that they might be able to go out and try for free. And then maybe if it solves the solution that they're looking for, then maybe they'll sign up for the tool. It's really a way to see what tools are out in the marketplace coming out every single day. But as an affiliate, I teach to use this in an even more sophisticated way. And what we can do with this tool is that the research is already done, right? One of the biggest questions that people ask is like, what product should I promote? Well, you've already got your answers right here. We can go out and quickly do research. Let me show you kind of how my mind thinks. So I come right over here. It says just launch. We can look at all these ones. You can also go over here and hover on the menu right over here and say, hey, just launch. I only want to look at tools that just launched over here. We can go over here. We can look at this spreadsheet tasks. Cool. And a lot of times what I'll do is I'll look at the stats. I'll look at how many bookmarks, how many other people are interested in this tool. That gives you an idea of just the interest in general. This was added just 2 days ago and it already has 11 bookmarks. It has 2 reviews, 4.5 star. So then I'll go and visit the website and we'll kind of get an idea of like, okay, spreadsheets simplified with AI, Excel AI, generate explain formulas and chat, blah, blah, blah. They already have over 500 customers. Cool. We can go look at it. And then this is just a handy tool that I use all the time, which is just tells me if the site is already getting traffic. Now, I do recommend you probably focus on applications that at least already have some traction going on. You can always, if you really like this tool, just go back over here and push the save button, right? So you push the save button, it's going to be in your saved account. You can always go back and revisit that tool later on. But in this particular case, what I would like to see with this tool when we open it up again is that there's no traffic going to it, right? And so there's not really a business there. There's probably not a lot of hype about this tool. And so I would just probably favorite this and then come back to it because it's checking one of the 2 boxes. And there's a couple of boxes. There's actually about 3 boxes. I'm going to take you along that journey in just a minute. But there's things that we're looking for. We're looking for the site to have some traffic. We're looking for there to be interest over here. It checks marks this box, right? But it doesn't have traffic on its website. So in some sense, it's just checking one box for us. And so I'm going to go ahead and I would just push save and I would go back to it, right? So you can focus on the launches, but then let's just go back over here to home real quick, right? And what we can do is we can actually go over here and look at the featured section, right? And what is this featured section? Well, this featured section means that these companies are paying the ownership of There's an AI for That. They built this amazing AI tool database that has thousands and thousands of applications in it and is getting millions of visitors to the site. So they can provide traffic and customers to these new applications but it's like a sponsored deal, right? It's media buying. They have to pay to be on this featured section right here, right? They're getting on the home page and look at this. You can see the bookmarks and the ratings and so forth. So I'll come through here and I'll look and I'll check some things out. And then maybe there's another one right over here. I'll check. You can see I saved this one. I'm on alert right there. I really like the interface on this site as well. It's so easy to use. And you can see when you check marked something, it has a bell next to it, right? But what we can do over here is we can actually check mark this one, right? So we already know that this tool has funding and a budget to go out and get new customers. They're paying this company in order to advertise on their website. They're probably running Facebook ads. They're probably, they're big time and they want to grow their tool. They have have 240 bookmarks. They have comments. They have a 5.0 star with 5 ratings, something that I would want to look into. So what I'll do is I'll go and visit the website, right? So we go and we check out this website real quick. And then we go over here and we click the Similar Web, and it shows that they have 16,000 people coming to their site. So they've already are getting traffic to their website. They're an established business. I'd like to see it at 100,000 or more. I get a little bit more excited when I see 100,000 or even a million. Those are kind of like jackpots, right? But still, seeing over 10,000, I'm happy about that. They're hitting the ground floor and they're still in the beginning phases of their launch. I think that I can help them out by being an affiliate and creating some content and selling their tool. So that check marks the second box, right? So we've got the interest over here. We've got the, this is my first step kind of right here. Does it check mark these boxes? Yes, cool. Then we open up the page right over here and we see that it has traffic as well. We see that it has 16,000 traffic right over here as well. Okay. So then what are the other kind of things that I look for as well? Well, one thing I'll do is I'll come over here and I'll check the pricing and we'll go and see. And I like that they have a monthly plan, a yearly plan, and they have a lifetime deal plan right now that people can go in and buy this tool as a one-off. And my audience particularly loves lifetime deals. So this would be a great software. They're smart. They're trying to raise money to, do the right things with, hopefully. And they are offering a lifetime deal, right? So they have some good pricing as well. And then the final thing that I'll do is I'll look over here and I'll hover over resources and you can see affiliate program. And a lot of times you'll just scroll all the way to the bottom, usually on the footer page, and you'll see affiliate program. So I'll click on that affiliate program and it says unlock passive income powerhouse, 30% lifetime commissions with AI magic. We can go and join this affiliate program right here. Super, super cool. So it check marks all the boxes. It's got traffic coming to the website. It's in my niche. This is AI content creation and so forth. So obviously I would look at the tools that you are more knowledgeable about and what your channel is kind of about. This one is about AI content creation, AI image creation, and so forth. So it's right in my wheelhouse of my audience. And then they have an affiliate program. So it checks marks all the boxes. And then an added bonus, I don't just go after softwares that have lifetime deals, but that's kind of an added bonus because this lifetime deal for this tool is not going to be around for very long. And so you might want to get in right now, get as much kind of front end sales as you can because you can make a lot of money with those bigger ticket, $60 or more type sales. You're going to get 30% of that, right? And so it check marks all those boxes, right? And then so what are you going to do next, right? So there's a lot of things you can do, but let me just show you one thing that I would maybe start off doing is I would go back over to the home page over here. And then I would go and just copy the URL here, right? And then I would do is I would go over to my keyword research tool, my SEO tool. I'll leave a link below. This is SE Ranking. If you want a really cool SEO tool that's like Ahrefs or SEMrush, but you don't want to spend $200 a month on it, this is the next best thing. They have billions of keywords in their database, and this is the tool that I've been using for over a year, and it's a superb tool. It's the best one that I've found that isn't Ahrefs or SEMrush, but is very close to those tools. They have all the things that you would expect in a mature SEO tool, okay? So then now what I'll do is we'll come over here. Let me move myself over here. So now what we'll do is we'll come over here and we'll go over into the competitor research section. And then what we'll do is we'll throw that URL in here. And I want to see what is their website about? What keywords are they ranking for? Are they doing anything, right? And so I'll go over here and I'll look at just keywords and kind of see what this has to do with. Logo generator. So we know it's an AI logo generator is really heavy. And then they also have content creation as well. So then what we might want to do next is a lot of times if they have 100 or 1,000 keywords right here, you already have your work completely done for you. But since they don't really have a lot of maturity on this one, what we'll end up doing is we'll just go into the keyword research section right over here. And then we'll just say AI logo and AI logo generator, and then we'll push analyze. And then now the keyword tool will go out there and find keywords for us. We've got a really good, strong base keyword that's 110,000 search volume right there just for that one keyword. We've got a bunch of, let me move myself and make myself a little smaller now. So we don't have questions right there, but we do have 20,000 related keywords. We have similar keywords, 153. So what I want to do, if I want to create a really cool content plan, I'm going to go ahead and go with related keywords. It's doing the work for us on our research, right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and we're going to start filtering this. I'm going to start looking for keywords that I can go and rank on a new YouTube channel. And this is kind of what I do is I start off and I really want to kind of look at this list and look at big keywords that we can go after, right? So what you can do is we already narrow down that 20,000 word keyword list down to 267. And then what I'll do is I'll go and put a difficulty level of maybe like 30, and then we'll see this should go down even further. So we have 100 keywords right here. So we could further look at this and modify it, and we could dive even deeper. But I think that these 100 keywords look really good. And then what you could do is you could go and you could copy this information right here. And then you could go into ChatGPT and you could say something like, take this list and only focus on the keywords and create 30 SEO catchy optimized YouTube titles that are 70 characters or less. And then basically we're going to go, boom, we're going to paste it in and push enter. And then ChatGPT is going to go out and do its thing for us. It's going to create a content plan for us. We're going to be able to go out there and start creating content. And basically, while it's doing that, what you'll be able to do is come back over to the tool that we are looking at, AI Magic, right? And you're going to sign up to the affiliate program. I recommend you purchase the product, even at the pricing level, just get the $59 product. And then you can go and actually create videos where you show how to do something maybe. And then this will be the solution to do something faster, easier, and quicker, right? And so you'll go in there, we'll go back to ChatGPT. You're an affiliate, you have that tool. And now you can go AI logo generator, create stunning logos in seconds. Boom, done. Design a logo in Adobe Illustrator, step by step, done. So you can go and show someone how to do this in a couple, minutes, but then you'll say, if you want an even faster way to do this, because it does look like Illustrator is going to show up a lot. Now, you could also say, so you could do that, right? Just keep that in mind, kind of put that in the back on the back burner. You could actually show how to do stuff in Adobe Illustrator, but then halfway through the video, you're going to say, so now that I showed you that, let me show you a cooler tool that's going to allow you to create AI logos very quickly. And then boom, you're going to show them how to do that in the AI Magic tool, right? The AI Magic X tool, so that you're going to be able to promote with these other bigger keywords and getting in front of an audience that likes Adobe Illustrator, that likes AI, that likes logo creation. And then you're going to be able to show them another tool that they didn't know about, and you're going to get traffic, and people, or a certain percentage of them, are going to buy the tool. It's just that simple. Now, another thing, so you have 100 titles that you can create right here. Another thing that you can do is say, switch now, give me 20 more, and switch out any of software like Adobe or Illustrator with AI Magix. See? So now it's going to go out there and it's going to create some titles for us, specifically talking about this particular software as well, that is up and coming. It's possibly, if it blows up and becomes more popular, then it will start having people searching on YouTube for tutorials on this. And you can get ahead by, look, design a logo in AI Magic X like a pro, how to create a logo using AI Magic Pro. So you go out there and you build all these videos right here and become the expert on AI Magic X. And then you're going to dominate the YouTube keywords for this AI Magic X. It's just a brilliant plan. It's worked. I've made $440,000 doing this exact approach. If you want to learn more and more in depth, if you think that this is good, just wait till you join my school community and the stuff that I share with you inside of there. I'd love to have you. Click the link below, go join YouTube Affiliate Launchpad, but only if you're serious. I'd love to have you. Thank you.